The Arcimoto FUV is an innovative electric vehicle designed to make urban transportation both practical and enjoyable. Known as an ultra-efficient vehicle, it combines the excitement and open-air feel of a motorcycle with the stability and safety of a car through its reverse three-wheel design. Powered by dual front-wheel drive motors, the FUV delivers quick acceleration, smooth performance, and excellent maneuverability, making it highly suitable for navigating city streets in crowded environments. Its low center of gravity further improves balance and handling, giving drivers a stable and confident driving experience. The vehicle can reach a top speed of 75 miles per hour and travel up to 164 kilometers on a single battery charge, offering enough range for daily commuting and short trips. In addition to performance, the Arcimoto FUV emphasizes comfort and convenience with features such as a panoramic open-air roof, heated seats, and heated grips that enhance the driving experience in different weather conditions. Safety is also an important aspect of the design, as the vehicle includes a durable steel upper frame built to meet passenger car safety standards. Another key advantage of the Arcimoto FUV is its affordability compared to many electric vehicles on the market, with a starting price of $17,900. Overall, the Arcimoto FUV represents a modern approach to sustainable transportation by combining energy efficiency, compact design, enjoyable performance, and practical features into a unique electric vehicle tailored for urban mobility and recreational driving.